Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 81 Featherstone Road. This traditional 3-bedroom semi-detached property. It has a double garage to the rear and a nice sized garden as well. Okay, then moving into the property and with the porch which leads into the hallway here. We've got the stairs leading up to the first floor and the kitchen straight ahead. And then to the right hand side we have the open plan reception rooms, starting with the sitting room here at the front of the property. Nice size living space which opens up to the dining area. And then moving through to the kitchen. Which leads in turn to the lean-to at the side here, where we have plumbing for washing appliances and access through to the rear garden, as well as access there towards the front of the property. Then onto the first floor, we've got the landing area here with window to side and then the loft access just above us. And we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor, starting with the first bedroom here, having an aspect to the front of the property. A really nice size room, and then we can go through to the second bedroom just here, which faces across the rear garden. Bedroom 3. Again, this one facing a front aspect. And through to the bathroom. Moving outside into the rear garden, we have a patio section which leads down to the main lawned garden area. With a pathway here going down to the double garage, which has a great deal of space and 2 up and over doors in here as well as power and light. Really good space. From there we can just look back at the house, and that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact the office as soon as you can, and we will hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.